Imagine buying a car today and still driving it 20 years from now with the same battery. No constant worry about replacing it, no fear of losing range after just a few years, and no huge replacement bill down the road. Sounds impossible, right? Well, Tesla may have just made it possible. As we continue, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel with the bell notification turned on for more updates. We're going to break down Tesla's brand new battery breakthrough. An innovation that could double the lifespan of electric vehicles, allow safe daily charging up to 90%, and make owning an EV cheaper, easier, and far more reliable than ever before. For years, one of the biggest concerns about electric cars has been the battery. People often ask, how long will the battery last? Will I need to replace it in 5 or 10 years? Will charging it too often wear it out? Batteries are the heart of electric vehicles, and until now, they have been the single most expensive part to replace. Traditional nickel-based batteries slowly lose power if charged too high or too often, which is why Tesla has always advised charging to around 80% for daily use. But with this new innovation, Tesla is rewriting the rules. Tesla has developed a new lithium battery with a doped cathode design. Don't worry if that sounds too technical. Here's what it simply means. Tesla's engineers have added extra elements, called dopants, to the cathode of the battery. This strengthens the chemical structure, making it more stable over time. The result? The battery loses far less capacity as it ages. Early tests show that this new design keeps about 91% of its power after heavy use, compared to older versions that drop to around 83%. That might sound like a small difference, but in real life, it means your Tesla battery could last 2 times longer before needing replacement. Here's where it gets exciting. Tesla's new battery is so stable that you can now charge up to 90% daily without fear. For years, EV owners had to carefully manage charging levels. Charging to 100% every night wasn't advised because it wore down the battery faster. Many drivers stuck to 70–80% just to be safe. But now, with this breakthrough, you can charge to 90% every day and enjoy the full range of your Tesla without cutting your battery's life short. This is a game changer for everyday convenience. You no longer have to plan your charging so carefully or worry if you forgot and charged too much overnight. One of the best things about this new battery is how it changes the daily life of drivers. Many EV owners today have to carefully plan their charging, only charging to 70% or 80% to protect the battery, and saving 100% for road trips. This makes owning an electric car a little more stressful compared to a gas vehicle, where you can always fill it up. Tesla's innovation removes that barrier. By allowing safe daily charging up to 90%, Tesla is making EV ownership just as simple as owning a gas car, if not easier. You charge more, worry less, and always have more range ready for your day. Another massive benefit is the impact this breakthrough has on costs over time. A battery replacement can cost anywhere between $10,000 to $20,000 depending on the model. For many people, that's almost as much as buying another car. By doubling the lifespan of the battery, Tesla is reducing the likelihood that owners will ever need a replacement during the life of the car. This means lower long-term costs, stronger resale value, and much more confidence for buyers who may have been hesitant to switch from gas to electric cars. This new battery comes with huge benefits to the environment. This is not just about saving money, it's also about saving the environment. Fewer replacements mean fewer raw materials like lithium, nickel, and cobalt being mined and processed. Each EV battery is a complex piece of technology that requires energy and resources to build. If Tesla can make batteries last twice as long, it immediately reduces the industry's footprint on the planet. This makes EVs not just cleaner while driving, but also cleaner over their entire life cycle. It's a step toward true sustainability. This new battery technology also gives Tesla a huge advantage over its rivals. Companies like BYD, Ford, and Volkswagen are all pushing their EVs into the market, but battery life and charging convenience remain concerns across the industry. If Tesla can promise drivers that their batteries will last twice as long and allow daily charging up to 90%, it sets them apart from the competition. This innovation could be the deciding factor for many buyers choosing between Tesla and another EV brand. It strengthens Tesla's position not just as a car maker, but as a battery technology leader. A powerful but often overlooked benefit of this new Tesla battery is safety. Traditional EV batteries can suffer from overheating, faster wear, or even rare cases of thermal runaway when consistently charged at high levels. This is why automakers usually recommend charging to only 70 to 80% for daily use. But Tesla's doped cathode design makes the battery far more stable under stress. This means drivers can confidently charge up to 90% without worrying about battery health or safety. For families, this offers reassurance that the car is not only convenient, but also one of the safest choices on the road. On top of that, Tesla's smart charging software balances energy flow to prevent overloading, giving owners both confidence and convenience. Another meaningful point is how this breakthrough changes the overall value of an electric car. Right now, many buyers calculate the cost of an EV by comparing it to gasoline cars, often worrying about high upfront prices and potential battery replacement bills. But if a Tesla battery can last 20 years or close to 1,000,000 miles, the math changes completely. Instead of thinking of an EV as a short-term car with an expensive battery expiration date, people will begin to see it as a long-term investment, a vehicle that holds its performance and range far better than traditional cars. This shift in perception could reshape how the world values EVs and push them firmly ahead of gas-powered vehicles in every way. What this battery means for EV owners? This upgrade isn't just about science. It has real benefits for anyone who owns or plans to own a Tesla. More usable range every day, no more feeling limited by safe charging levels. Lower replacement costs, batteries won't need to be swapped out as often. Better resale value, a Tesla with a strong battery will hold its price much longer. Less stress. You simply drive, charge, and enjoy. What's the science behind battery doping? Let's break it down further. Doping means adding small amounts of different metals into the cathode of the battery. These act like reinforcements, stabilizing the battery structure and preventing wear. Think of it like adding steel rods inside concrete. The concrete, the cathode, is already strong, but the steel, the dopants, makes it even more durable. Over time, this means fewer cracks, less breakdown, and much longer life. This technique allows Tesla to combine the high energy of nickel batteries with the long life of LFP batteries, giving drivers the best of both worlds. Let's take a look at the real-world lifespan numbers. Many Tesla batteries today already last over 300,000 kilometers, 186,000 miles. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit like, share it with friends, and subscribe for more updates on Tesla and the future of electric cars.